The 1967 Chevrolet Corvette 427 stands as a high point in American automotive history, representing the culmination of the second-generation Corvette, often called the C2. This model year is celebrated by enthusiasts and collectors alike as the most refined and powerful of the mid-year Corvettes, embodying the spirit of American sports cars in the 1960s. With its striking design, potent big block engine, and improved features, the 67 Corvette 427 solidified its place as a true icon. The 1967 Corvette received subtle but significant styling updates, distinguishing it from previous C2 models and enhancing its aggressive stance. Key changes included 5 front fender vents. Replacing the 3 larger vents from previous years, the 5 smaller vents provided a cleaner, more streamlined look. Simplified rocker panels. The rocker panels adopted a flat black finish, losing the ripped design for a lower and less bulky appearance. Single backup light. A central reverse light above the license plate replaced the dual backup lights integrated into the taillights of earlier models, contributing to a cleaner rear fascia. Stinger hood. Exclusive to 427-equipped models, the Stinger hood scoop boldly announced the presence of the big block V8, adding to the car's muscular aesthetic. Interior refinements. The interior saw updates such as new seat designs and upholstery, and a more conveniently located parking brake lever between the seats, a first for Corvette. The passenger grab handle on the cowl was also removed for a cleaner passenger side dash. The heart of the 1967 Corvette 427 was, of course, its engine. Buyers had a range of powerful 427 cubic-inch V8 options, each delivering exhilarating performance. L36 427 Turbo Fire. V8. The base 427 engine produced a robust 390 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque. Equipped with a hydraulic camshaft and a single 4-barrel carburetor, it offered impressive low-end torque and smooth street manners. L68 427 Turbo Fire V8. This version bumped output to 400 horsepower while retaining the 460 lb-ft of torque, thanks to the addition of 3 2-barrel carburetors. It maintained hydraulic lifters for easier maintenance. L71 427 Turbo Fire V8. The high-performance street engine, the L71, delivered a potent 435 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque. Featuring solid lifters, higher compression, and the tri-power 3 2-barrel carburetor setup, it was designed for serious performance. L88 427 Turbo Fire V8. An ultra-rare, race-focused engine, the L88 was officially rated at 430 horsepower, though its true output was estimated to be closer to 560 horsepower. With aluminum cylinder heads and a single 4-barrel carburetor on a high-rise intake, it was built for track dominance. Only a handful of L88 Corvettes were produced, making them exceptionally valuable today. Performance figures for a 1967 Corvette 427 were impressive for the era, with 0 to 60 mph times in the low 5-second range and quarter-mile times in the 13-second range. Beyond brute power, the C2 Corvette, and especially the 1967 model, was lauded for its handling and sophistication. Key features contributing to its world-class status included independent rear suspension. Pioneered in the C2, the fully independent front and rear suspension dramatically improved handling compared to earlier solid-axle Corvettes, allowing it to compete with European sports cars of the time. 4-wheel disc brakes. Power disc brakes at all 4 corners were available, providing significantly improved stopping power compared to the standard drum brakes. Wide range of options, from air conditioning and power steering to side-mounted exhaust and cast aluminum wheels. Buyers could customize their 1967 Corvette to suit their preferences. The 1967 Chevrolet Corvette 427 is more than just a classic car, it's a cultural icon. Its combination of stunning design, raw power, and relative refinement for its time made it a best all-around car, according to Car and Driver in 1967. Today, the 1967 Corvette 427 is highly sought after by collectors, with top examples fetching significant prices at auction. Its enduring appeal lies in its representation of a golden era of American muscle and sports car design, making it a true legend on wheels.